Blue Book Chapter 2, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation, and Wildlife Resources. Class 8 Geography, Ncert Social Science. This chapter explores vital natural resources like land, soil, water, natural vegetation, and wildlife, how they are used, distributed, conserved, and the threats they face. Globe showing Europe Africa 1. Land as a resource. Land is a natural resource of utmost importance. It supports natural vegetation, wildlife, human settlements, agriculture, and various economic activities. White heavy checkmark use of land. Land is used for agriculture, forestry, grazing, mining, building roads, houses, industries, etc. Globe with meridians land use pattern. Land use depends on topography, e.g., mountains, plains, climate, soil, availability of water, human needs and technology. Example, in mountainous regions, forests are common. In plains, agriculture dominates. Bar chart land use categories. Forests. Land not available for cultivation, buildings, roads, barren lands. Fallow land. Grazing land. Cultivable wasteland. Net zone area. Man standing 2. People and land. Population pressure and urbanization affect land use. Some regions are densely populated, others sparsely. Uninhabited lands exist due to harsh climate, rugged terrain, or lack of water. Warning 3. Land degradation and conservation measures. Warning threats to land. Deforestation. Overgrazing. Overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Mining. Waste disposal. White heavy checkmark conservation of land resources. Afforestation. Controlled grazing. Terrace farming. Checking mining activities. Proper waste disposal. Brick 4. Soil as a resource. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth, important for agriculture and plant life. Books soil formation. Soil forms through the process of weathering of rocks over time. Test tube factors affecting soil formation. Parent rock. Climate. Relief. Time. Natural vegetation and organisms. Receipt types of soil, India-specific examples. 1. Alluvial soil, found in river plains, very fertile. 2. Black soil, rich in clay, good for cotton. 3. Red soil, found in southern India. Less fertile. 4. Laterite soil, formed in hot, wet regions. 5. Mountain soil, found in hilly areas. 6. Desert soil, sandy, low fertility. Stop sign soil erosion and conservation. Warning causes of soil erosion. Deforestation. Overgrazing. Shifting cultivation. Wind and water erosion. White heavy checkmark soil conservation methods. Contour plowing. Terrace farming. Strip cropping. Shelter belts. Planting trees, afforestation. Droplet 5. Water as a resource. Water is essential for all life forms, used in drinking, agriculture, industry, power, and domestic use. Deciduous tree 6. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Herb natural vegetation. Plants that grow naturally without human interference. Important for maintaining ecological balance. Books types of natural vegetation. 1. Forests, dense, found in high rainfall areas. 2. Grasslands, found in moderate rainfall areas. 3. Shrubs and bushes, found in dry regions. Vegetation depends on temperature, moisture, slope, soil thickness. Elephant 7. Wildlife. Wild animals, birds, insects, and aquatic life are part of wildlife. Wildlife maintains food chains and ecological balance. Warning threats to wildlife. Deforestation. Habitat destruction. Poaching and illegal trade. Pollution and climate change. Seedling conservation of vegetation and wildlife. White heavy checkmark steps taken. Setting up national parks, biosphere reserves, and wildlife sanctuaries. Afforestation and reforestation. Banning hunting and poaching. Public awareness campaigns. Laws and international agreements, like CITES. Brain conclusion. Land, soil, water, natural vegetation, and wildlife are precious natural resources that support life. Human activities often harm these resources. It is essential to use them wisely, ensure equitable distribution, and follow conservation practices for a sustainable future.